Guys, let's take a quick look at XRP and XLM because they are kind of attached to one another, we can say. This chart, it's really hard to see, but I'm just going to show you this trend line. That's what I really want to show you now. This trend line extends back all the way to May 2021, and you can see there's touch points here, here. Tried to break through here in July of 2023. If I zoom in more, you're going to see more touch points. So touch points here, here, and then we did break above it in March of this year, and in April, and then April we kind of fell back into the trend. And you can see we've been touching this trend line, for months again. And look where XRP is right now. It is breaking this trend. And yeah, guys, really, let's see if it can hold. It's basically going to hold this on the daily above at least 50 cents. So basically the 50-cent mark is, going to show some sign of bullishness, we can say, for XRP. But don't get too excited yet. There is a daily resistance up here at about 53 cents. And then you got 56.5 and then 58.8 cents up here. And I don't want to go too far because, there's just so many resistances, and XRP just tends to, it tends to fall after you get big pumps and things from XRP. Now, I don't know if there's any news about XRP, but, let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. I do hold XRP. I hope XRP does well, but I don't think XRP is going to do much until the lawsuit is completely over. Now, XLM, on the other hand, you can see here's another trend line that I just drew on this chart, and basically it is breaking that trend just like XRP is, and it needs to get above about 10.12 cents, and it's now at about 10.22 cents. Let's see if it can hold it. But this weekly resistance at 4 cents is most important. If we can hold that, that's great. But definitely if we can hold 10.12, and if we can make our way up to, let's just say, about 11 cents, that would be pretty bullish, I would say, for XLM as well. So Bitcoin, on the other hand, right now it is breaking through this resistance, on this trend line. As I said, guys, it's basically going to make a decision as of yesterday. And it's either got to break into this Fibonacci here, or it's got to break up and stay in this Fibonacci zone and go to 60.2. Now, I have closed my trade actually on xt.com. I am waiting for Bitcoin to fall down to about 57.5, which is basically almost right at the top of this Fibonacci, because it is a weekend, and it's not a good thing really when Bitcoin pumps on the weekend because of the CME gap. Now, it could easily come back just to close that gap, because right now there is a gap. I think it's about, I don't know, $1,000 or so. But let's see, guys. I'll probably start another trade. Just want to see if, the CME gap will get closed or not. It was only about $4.50 or $5 in profit. It wasn't a big trade. And I also want to do a little bit bigger trade. I want to go probably about 7x instead of a 5x. Anyways, guys, economically this week on the calendar, there isn't too much. Monday is kind of a dead day. Tuesday, imports, exports, retail sales, kind of big, but nothing major. Wednesday, nothing really big, only housing starts and building permits. Really, it's not really for Bitcoin, I think. There's really just nothing. I mean, you do have some Philly Fed and manufacturing on Thursday. You do have jobless claims and things. That's kind of big for Thursday. But Friday, dead day. So right now, the cut for July is lower, only about 6.2%. So let's see, guys. Probably September is going to be the first cut. And yeah, guys, the German government is now out of Bitcoin, so selling pressure is probably off. So let's see, guys. So that's what, is happening with XRP and XLM. Look for those targets to be met. And let's watch Bitcoin. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if it closes this gap or not. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.